To place an order for product on the donation exchange powered by CREF, log into your account and in the left navigation menu, select View Products. This will take you to the product listings page. You can add product to your cart directly from this page by selecting the cart on the product you're interested in. You will get a notification in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, and in the top right-hand corner, you will see your cart updated. Additionally, you can select View Product. You will be taken to the product details page where you will see additional information listed by the donor regarding the product. From here, you can select your quantity and add it to cart. Again, you'll get the notification in the bottom right-hand corner and see your cart updated up here. To check out, select your cart, confirm the information, and select Checkout. To proceed through multiple checkout screens, simply confirm the information and continue to select Checkout. Here, you can select your delivery address as well as add a new delivery address. Then select Checkout. On this final page, you can add comments for either the donor or the CREF admin to see regarding this order. Scroll to the bottom and select Checkout one final time. You will get a success message that your order has been placed. At this time, if you return to your account and go to your orders, you'll see the order listed here.